Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. It's me, Bratati. Today I am going to show you guys how I create this beautiful intense green smoky eye look. So this is a very easy look to create. I just only use 3 eyeshadows to create this look. So if you are interested to see how I create this look, then please keep on watching. So first, I am going to put a tape on the outer corner of my eyes to make the eye look more precise. First, I am going to take this black eyeshadow and apply it all over my eyelid. Next, I am going to take this brown eyeshadow and buff out all the edges. Now I am going to take this beautiful shimmery green shade and apply it on the center of my eyelid with the help of my finger. And now I am going to blend all the harsh edges. After that, I am going to line my eyes. Using an eyelash curler, I am going to curl my lashes. And then I am applying a false lash. Next, I am applying mascara. And finally, I am removing the tape. Now I am applying the same black eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Now I am finishing my eye look by applying highlighter on the inner corner. After that, taking a white eyeliner, I am lining my waterline. Now I am applying foundation on my face and going to blend this out. I am applying setting powder to set my base. After that, I am applying concealer on the highlighted area of my face. So it's the time to contour my whole face. After that, I am applying blush on the apples of my cheeks. Now I am going to apply highlighter on my face. For lips, first I am going to line my lips with a lip liner and then apply a nude colored lipstick. And finally, I am applying setting spray all over my face. So this is the final look. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you really do, then please like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video.